Good morning, dear students. Today I am here with a topic treatment of interest on partners capital. So we will learn that how to treat interest on partners capital. So after this topic we will go to the last topic in the next video, that is past adjustment. So let us see here illustration. Calculation of interest on capital when profit are inadequate, that is they are not having sufficient profit but the interest on capital has to be given, or how to treat the interest on capital when it is already given in the partnership agreement. So let us see the question. There are two partners A and B who has contributed 5 lakh and 3 lakh respectively, which means A have contributed a capital of 5 lakhs while B has contributed a capital of 3 lakhs. Okay, now they have an agreement that interest on capital was to be allowed at 6% per annum. Their respective profit sharing ratio is 3:2 and profit for the year is 40,000 before allowing interest on capital. Now in the question it has been asked that prepare necessary account to allocate the interest on capital in the following cases. Now there are two cases when partnership deed is silent about the treatment of interest on capital. There is nothing is mentioned whether interest on capital is to be given or not in case of loss. And number two, when interest is a charge in as per partnership deed, means interest has to be given irrespective of profit or loss charge against partnership deed. So let us see first case when partnership deed is silent, there is nothing mentioned in the partnership deed. So in that case profit is 40,000 while interest on capital actual calculation comes to 48,000. See the working note, A's interest on capital comes to 30,000 and B's interest on capital comes to 18,000. So total 48,000 but we are having for profit of 40,000 only. Then in that case profit 40,000 will be given as interest. That means interest will be restricted to 40,000 only. We can pay only 40,000 interest on capital. But how to pay 40,000? Based on capital ratio. The capital of A and B are that is 33 lakhs and 1 lakh 80. So 5:3. In the 5:3 ratio that has been distributed. Remember, profit is insufficient, so the interest on capital is restricted to profit only. 40,000 divided in the ratio of 5:3, that is capital ratio, and it has been distributed. Now when in the second case interest is charged as a partnership due charge. In that case, whenever charge is written, you have to pay full interest irrespective whether there is a loss. In that case, profit and loss account, the interest on capital will be given. See, profit and loss account it has been given. Okay, so you can see in the debit side the interest on capital has been given, credit side profit has been given, but the interest is more, so you can get a loss 8,000, and the loss is again distributed in the profit sharing ratio. Okay, so you have to just understand that if there is a charge, then you have to show in the profit and loss account and give the full interest, though it may earn a loss, like here in this case 8,000 a loss. But if the partnership deed is silent, nothing is mentioned, then we will give the interest on capital restricted to the profit available in capital ratio. Remember, 40,000 was distributed in capital ratio and only 40,000 distributed between the two partners. Now see the next question here. In this question, you can see that Shikha and Fatima are partners and they are having profit sharing ratio of 5:3. Their fixed capital was given that Shikha has invested 3 lakhs while Fatima has invested 4 lakhs. They have agreed to allow an interest on capital at 12% per annum, okay, and charge interest on drawings at 15% per annum. The profit for the year ending 31st March 2018 before the above appropriation adjustment is 63,000. Profit is 63,000 given. Now drawings made by the two partners are given, Shikha 10,000 and Fatima 20,000. Okay, now we have to prepare profit and loss appropriation. The interest on capital will be allowed even if the firms incur a loss. See, here it is been mentioned that interest on capital will be given if the firms earns a loss also. In that case, you can see that profit and loss account is prepared. Okay, we have know that there is a loss because interest on capital has exceeded the profit. You can see Shikha's interest on capital comes to 36,000, that is 12% of 3 lakhs 36, while Fatima's interest on capital comes to 48,000, that is 12% of 4 lakh. So 48,000 is the interest on capital, but the profit is 63,000, so there is a loss and the loss has been distributed. Okay, now in the second case, profit and loss appropriation account has been prepared. See, the profit and loss account has been transferred, loss 21,000, and you can see here the interest on drawings and the net loss is now transferred. Final net loss is 18,750. Okay, so what did we do? First of all, we prepared a profit and loss account. There we given the interest on capital and found a loss of 21,000. That 21,000 is now transferred to the P&L appropriation. See, on the debit side that loss has been transferred, and after that the interest on drawings has been given, and you can find the loss, final loss is now transferred to the partners capital account. Okay, so here the note also you can see that the time period of the drawing is not given, so interest is charged for 6 months. Okay, because we don't know when the drawing has been made, so 6 months interest has been calculated. Now coming to illustration, a new illustration 33. So here 3 partners are there. Okay, their capital has been given. Okay, but in the C you can see 40,000 debit is given, that is negative balance is having. Okay, both are having credit, here C is having a debit, and as per the agreement, interest on capital has to be allowed at 6% per annum, and interest on drawing is charged 8% per annum. And the information is given that you find that on 1st July 2018, A withdrew 1 lakh against capital. Okay, B withdrew 5,000 per month during the year, so you have to use the formula per month during the year. Okay, we don't know at which, middle, end or beginning, so middle formula will be used. And C 60,000 during the year, one time during the year, 6 months we have to calculate for C. So profit for year ending 3,84,000 is given, and now you have to prepare journal entries and also prepare capital account. Here we are not preparing P&L appropriation, we will start from journal entry and we will post the in capital account. So let us see how the journal entry comes. So first of all, see withdrawal A as capital. Okay, A has withdrawn the amount 1 lakh, so A is capital account to bank. Okay, the withdrawal drawings. Similarly, transfer of the drawings to capital account. Now it has been transferred to capital account, so this is the entry B capital account, C capital account, to B's drawing to C's drawing. We will see in the capital account also how it has been done. So number 3, third entry is P&L loss, profit and loss to P&L appropriation 3,84,000, that is the profit transfer to from profit and loss to profit and loss appropriation. Next is interest on capital has been given, created, so that journal entry has been given. Okay, and at last profit and loss appropriation to interest on capital. Okay, the profit and loss appropriation account, the interest on capital has been transferred. You can see that one entry is P&L appropriation, another is the transfer to capital account. Okay, so next is P&L appropriation, interest on capital. Next B, C to interest on drawings, interest on drawings is transferred, and again interest on drawings to P&L appropriation. One is transferred to capital account, another to P&L account. Both account are affected, capital account and P&L appropriation. And last, the profits, you can see last entry, P&L appropriation 3,45,300 has been distributed between the 3 partners. This is the profit transferred in equal proportion, they are having the same ratio. So all the entries, first a amount is posted to P&L appropriation, next to partners capital account. In this way the posting has been done. Now we will see the partners capital account, how it is been prepared. Now before proceeding to partners capital account, again let me tell you that the journal entries are prepared here. We are not preparing a P&L appropriation. Okay, in place of P&L appropriation we have provided journal entry, we have skipped the P&L appropriation. So how to prepare journal entries has been discussed here. Now see the partners capital account. In the partners capital account, remember on the credit side all appropriations, okay, all the partners benefit are posted on the credit side. So here balance, capital balance, interest on capital has been created. Okay, the profit has been created, so these are the appropriations what the partner will get. In the debit side you can see there is another balance of 40,000 of C. Now why it is given on the debit side? Because we have already seen in the question that C had a debit balance, okay, negative balance, and the drawings has been given. See 1 lakh drawings has been made by A, and similarly the drawings made by the B and C are also mentioned but on different dates, so it is written in the down 60 and 60,000, and interest on drawings has been also debited. So any charges are debited while any appropriation are created, and the final closing balance is given A, B, C. Okay, A 5,40,600, B 3,70,700, and C 12,700. Okay, so opening balance was given, after adjustment these are the closing balance. So you have to know that what are created, what are debited in partners capital account, you have to remember. Okay, for the next topic it is important. Now working notes are given, kindly have a look at the working notes, how interest has been calculated. For A 3 months, and remaining for 4 lakh it has been calculated for 9 months. Similarly B's interest has been calculated for 6 months, and C's interest is also calculated for 6 months. And how the divisible profit has been calculated is given. Okay, hope you have understand. Please go through the capital account, how capital account has been prepared, what is posted in the credit and what is posted on the debit. It is required for the next topic, that is adjustment, past adjustment. Okay, so thank you for now.